if you go and watch all of my videos and all of your videos, you will understand BlenderBIM and IFC at the end of that. But it will take you a while. But like the masterclasses, it's going to be one day and then a week and another day. And by the end of that, you will have a recording, you will have a set of resources or an understanding of how to set them up as well. And basically you have a jump start, which is, okay, cool. Any question I can ask there. There's at least 4 people in the room who understand what I'm asking and how to solve that. And if they don't, it's kind of like, okay, cool, we'll figure that out, you know, as opposed to like on the internet, I love like joining 1,000 communities and asking different questions in different places, but it's a long period of time. It's a lot of effort.
Yeah,
so,
of course. It's always that trade that you need to do. You either have the time, you either pay to access and accelerate. But yeah, like you can save many hours, maybe weeks, by just starting somewhere, seeing a concept, and just then keep building on those skills. Especially if you need this at work, that should not be a problem, I think, or even for your boss, maybe to offset this price and to sponsor you to take this masterclass, because you are going to save their time. But if you have your own company, then it's even easier. You just take that as an expense. What is this actually masterclass going to do? Let's go a bit over these 2 sessions and say, like a bit higher level. What is going to cover?
So essentially, we've got 2 days, and it covers the stuff that I am most familiar with, which I use in every day, basically, in my own firm, which is modeling for day 1, which is native IFC modeling, focusing on how to, essentially all those things, how to classify a wall starting with, and then moving all the way up to, okay, cool, how to fully model my entire house with walls, floors, ceilings, doors, roofs, gutters, everything you need, so that you have a full model that you can give to somebody else, or you can create documents from. And on the second day, we're going to handle everything drawing. We're going to handle cameras, we're going to handle styles, we're going to handle patterns, sheets, references, all the things that you need to get out a reasonable PDF, essentially, of whatever your drawings are going to be, right? And basically how to adjust things so that they match your style, your standards. You can create your own. You know, if I had to sit with people and like everybody and say, okay, we're going to create your standards, it would take a long period of time. So we run through, this is how you set things up, and then you can go and take these and set them up for yourself. And if you have questions of like, I need this thing that looks like this, how do I do that? Okay, cool, this is how we do it. You know, this is the correct way to do it, or this is the workaround if you need a workaround, essentially. And it's just broken into those 2. I think they work quite well as their own module. You can come to one without the other, but essentially, if you come to the drawing one, you really need to know everything that was said in the modeling one, because I'm not going to touch on that. And it's designed to be comprehensive, so that you can walk away with some resources and some settings and things that you can edit instead of having to start from scratch. And that the next day, hopefully, you can start drawing your simplest project from the get-go, basically.